Revolutionize your website. 8 mind-blowing AI builders under $1,000. Why spend $1,000 on web agencies? Try these 8 AI website builders that will blow your mind. Create your dream site in minutes, no coding skills required. 1. The Framer. Best animation, AI generated, human curated, from raw idea to a real page in seconds. The more details you provide, the better the output. Each section has a unique combination of layout, copy and styling. Tweak what you like and delete what you don't. Two. 10 Web e-commerce. Build, design, and publish your custom AI website in minutes. Growing your digital presence is faster and easier than ever before with 10 Web AI Website Builder. 3. Software full stack app. From prompt to powerful apps, it's a game changer in the world of app development. AI-generated designs, themes, and copy. AI-generated data in Google Spreadsheets, business logic and user-friendly design, user roles, CRUD actions, and more. Four. Durable. Launch a website in seconds. Save hours of work and let Durable AI create a revenue-ready website in 30 seconds. 5. Dora. 3D design. Dora is a new AI no-code web design tool that can generate and deploy functional 3D websites with just one prompt. Six. Landing site. Landing pages. Build your dream website in minutes with AI. Let AI write your website copy for you. Landing site provides access to millions of high-quality Getty images and videos you can use to make your website stand out above the rest. 7. Cleap. Mobile website. Cleap is a mobile-first design tool that ensures your website looks great on all devices. It generates a site based on your input, which you can then modify using a visual editor for complete control over the design. 8. Wix. Launching soon, Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, is a smart builder tool designated to create your website in just a few minutes.